In today's video, we're making this super cute personalized beaded letter A charm. It's the perfect way to add a custom touch to your keys or bag. For our A, I'm using these round glass beads and the raw, right angle weave technique. You'll also need some 0.25 millimeters clear fishing line. Go ahead and cut about 32 inches of your line to get started. String 4 beads and cross the other end through the last one, pulling it tight right in the center of your thread. Now, add 2 beads to one side and 1 to the other, then cross through that single bead. Repeat this step one more time. Next, add 6 beads. Take that same end and go back through the 4th bead from the edge to create a cross. Add one more bead to finish another cross right there. Check it out. This is what it should look like. Now, add 2 beads to the left side and cross the right end through the last one. Do another 2 and 1 split and cross through the single bead. Repeat. To make the turn, add 3 beads to the left line and cross the right end through. Now, add 3 beads to the top line and cross the bottom end through. Go back to that 2 and 1 split and cross. Repeat one more time. Then tuck the left line into the nearest bead below. Add 2 beads to the right line and cross. Add 2 more raw crosses. To close it up, add 3 beads to either end and join them to the rest of the piece to create the final cross. Secure the ends with a loop knot. I like to go through a few times for extra sturdiness. Then hide the knot inside a bead and snip the excess. To give our letter some volume, we're making 2 identical pieces and sewing them together. Grab a new 32-inch line. Align the pieces and start sewing them by adding 1 bead into the gaps to create side crosses all the way around the perimeter. If you want, add a little loop of clear beads at the top so you can hang it as a charm. Secure it again with the loop knot method. And your personalized A charm is officially ready. Subscribe if you want to see more beaded DIYs like this one. See ya!